Hi Kirby fans, so today I'm going to show you how to upgrade those rear worn out wheels on your Kirby G series. But what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it. Hi Kirby fans, welcome back to the channel. Again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate, slap that subscribe button, it's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. Right, so as I said, in today's video, what we're going to be doing is changing the wheels on your G series. Now, over time, your rear wheels are going to wear out. If you've had it in tech drive and you've been using it on a wooden floor, they're going to spin and they're going to wear. If you've been using it outside or vacuuming the car out and had it on the gravel, it's going to damage the wheels. They are really cheap to replace. There are links in the description below for everything I use today. That includes the music that's in the video and the best place to get your Kirby products. So make sure you check those out. So what we'll do is we'll jump straight into it. Well, so first up, you're going to remove your bag and your handle just to make life easier. You can do it with it fully assembled, it just makes it a lot more awkward and there's a chance of you breaking your handle when it's on its side. So what I suggest is get it down to this part first, remove your head or power nozzle, and then what we're going to do is just turn our Kirby on upside down like so. Okay, then all you need is a small screwdriver. In the back of your wheels here, make sure it's in neutral. You've got little slots, so you're just going to push that hubcap off, like so. We're going to flip it on its side. And what I'll do is tend to lift that out, just to stop that tipping over. Now, what you've got in here is a circlip. So you need either a slotted screwdriver or a pair of small nose pliers, or a very small screwdriver. And you're literally going to push that out. So hook it in with your slotted screwdriver and slide that out. Then you can take your wheel off. Fit your new wheel, so grab your new wheel, slot that on. Now there is a flat part, so make sure you've got the flat part in line. Slot that on like so. It's going to push in, so you've got to push that wheel back up. Make sure you can get that groove, and then you just put this circlip back on. Like so. And then this is where you need small nose pliers. So you're literally going to push that, like so, and push that on. That then isn't going to come off. Hubcap. So again, you've got these little slots here. You're just going to line that up there. Push it in, and push it in. And that is how to change your wheels. Easy. So it's exactly the same process on this side, same circlip, exactly the same. So what we'll do now is jump over to an Avalir just to show you the different clip and how to get that one off. Right, so with our Avalir, we're going to need a different tool. We're not going to need these. We're going to need some circlip pliers and again a small screwdriver. So we start off in this situation again with your bag and your handle removed. We're going to lift the head off. Power nozzle, and then we're just going to flip it upside down like so. Alright, now what we're going to do, turn that round and we're going to make sure it's in neutral, push, and out that pops. We'll flip it over, and I'll just zoom in so you can see. Right, so with our G3 series we had a circlip that literally slid out that way. Now Kirby have changed these, so what you need is a pair of circuit pliers because these actually have to open. So you get these, line it up, slot it in. Once that's slotted in, open your circlip and pull that off, like so. Pull your wheel off, job done. To fit your new wheel, again, slotted edge. I'm going to slot that on, make sure it doesn't push out the bottom, and then we're going to push this back on. So you can either try and push it on like that. I find it's easier to just get your circlip removed again, slot it in, open it up a bit, slot it over, put your fingernail there, just hold it, and you've got to sort of squeeze it together, wiggle that circlip remover out, And then what I suggest is you just get your circuit mover, just make sure that turns. As long as that's turning, you know it's in the slot and it's not going to come off. And then put our hubcap back on. And that's one Avalir with new wheels. And that is the same circlip from the G4 upwards. Right, so I enjoyed that video and I hope you found it really informative. It's just a quick tutorial showing you how you can change those wheels on your Kirby, save you taking it to a service agent, and it'll save you an absolute fortune. Now don't forget everything you're using in the videos today, there are links in the description below, so make sure you check those out for the best place to get your Kirby products, and also the music I used. If you click the link for the music, Epidemic Sound, you will get a 3 months trial, so make sure you check those out. Again, those who are new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if I like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.